Hi guys, it's me, your math teacher Jel. For today's video, let's continue our discussion on how to find the equation of a circle in standard form. This is actually another example, okay? So the question is, find the equation of a circle in standard form given the endpoints of diameter -2, 1, and 4, 3. Okay, so guys, kapag ganito yung given natin, so first, let's visualize. So, ibig sabihin, ipa-plot natin or ilalocate natin yung mga points na to sa Cartesian plane natin. Okay? So, we have the first point. The first endpoint of the diameter will be -2, +1. So, your x is -2 and then your y is +1. Okay. So, guys, nandito yan. And then, we have 3. So, this is located in our quadrant 1 or first quadrant. Your x is equal to 4, your y is equal to 3. Okay? So, guys, pagtatapatin lang natin yan. And then, after plotting those points, the next thing to do ay, okay, ito, ipag-connect natin yung diameter natin. I mean, the 2 points. Okay? So, connect natin yan. Okay. And then, kung meron tayong compass, so gamitin natin yon. Pero later pa. Okay? Kapag na-plot na natin or nahanap na natin si center. Okay? And speaking of center, to find the center, or to find the coordinates of the center, which is HK, so we will be using the midpoint formula. Okay? So guys, dito mag-review tayo sa junior high school days natin. So the midpoint formula is given by, sulat ko rito guys. So midpoint formula, the formula is given by the quantity of x sub 1 plus x sub 2 divided by 2. Then, comma, y sub 1 plus y sub 2 divided by 2. Okay? So, this is the midpoint formula. So, now, dito guys, para makuha natin yung center, okay, which is HK, yung HK natin, so we have -2, +1, 4, 3. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, the first coordinate natin serves as our x sub 1, y sub 1, or the first point. So, this will be your x sub 1, y sub 1. And then, the second point serves as x sub 2, y sub 2. Gets? Okay, using midpoint formula, substitute lang natin yan guys. So, we have x sub 1, which is -2. Okay? Added by x sub 2, which is 4, right? Over, of course, 2. Then, y sub 1, which is +1, plus your y sub 2 here is 3 divided by 2. So, all we have to do is to plug in or replace. No? So, let's simplify, guys. So, -2 plus 4, this is actually equal to, very good, +2 divided by 2. Do not forget. Then, 1 plus 3, we have 4 over 2. Again, simplify. So, we have 2 divided by 2. This is now equal to 1. Then, 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So, guys, ito yung center natin. So, we have H and then K. Gets? So, now, guys, ito, ilalocate natin sa ating Cartesian plane. Okay? So, ilocate natin yan, guys. So, 1, 2. So, your x is 1, your y is 2. So, guys, ito siya. Gets? Okay. So dito guys, if you have compass, para ma-sketch natin yung circle, so yung pinakadulo, yan, yung tip, paikot natin dyan. So sketch natin yan. Okay? So, ito na yung circle natin. So, we have diameter. And the endpoints of the diameter of a circle is given, which are -2, okay, -2, +1, and then 4, 3. Nakuha ba guys? Okay. So, since we have center now, hahanapin naman natin yung, very good, yung radius. Okay? So, that is our R or radius. Actually, ito radius din yan. And we all know that yung radius natin ay equal sila. Okay, so, para mahanap naman natin yung radius, pwede natin gamitin yung center and any points on the diameter. Pwedeng -2, 1, or 4, 3. Okay, so, again, gagamit tayo ng distance formula. Okay, kung natatanda yung distance formula. So, the distance formula is given by, sulat ko rito guys. So, this is equal to D equals square root of, nahanap kasi natin yung distance between 2 points. So, we have x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 close squared. Okay? So, actually guys, pwede nating gamitin yan. So, distance nito. So, replace D by R. So, R now is equal to, okay, so apply lang natin to guys. So, we have the square root of, or inside the radical sign, we have the quantity x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared added by y sub 2 minus y sub 1 close squared. Gets? Okay. And then, hinahanap na natin yung radius natin. Okay, so, the exact value of our R or radius. Kasi yan yung length na tinatawag. Okay. Ito. So, we have 2 points. 2 points din dito. So, pwede natin gamitin yung point na, okay, so pwedeng ito, the center, and then yung point na to, center, or ito, itong point na to. Gets? So, in this case, let's use this point. Okay? So, we have -2, 1. And, of course, our center, which is 1, 2. Again, pwede natin gamitin yung point na to. So, walang problema. Same lang din magiging sagot natin. So, guys, eto, tinatawag nating x sub 1. Yan. And y sub 1. X sub 2, y sub 2. Gets? Okay. So, after that, pwede na tayo mag-substitute. So, our x sub 2 here is 1. Right? Minus, okay, x sub 1 natin dito ay -2. So, take note of that. Minus to in our formula. So, it will become negative pa rin to pag sinubstitute natin. Or pwede tayo mag-simplify agad. But for the sake of the discussion, so wag natin shortcut. And then close squared. Did you follow? Next, so we have here, your y sub 2 here is 2. And then your y sub 1 here is 1. All we have to do is to plug in or substitute, ha? Okay, so wag malilito. And then, let's simplify inside the square root. Okay, so we have negative times negative, we have positive. So, plus 2 squared plus 2 minus 1 equals 1 squared. Okay. Next. So, let's simplify again. Hanggat pwede pa mag-simplify, simplify natin. 1 plus 2, that is equal to 3, right? So, we have 3 squared. Plus, what is 1 squared? We have 1, right? Okay. So, ito guys, 3 squared, that is equal to 9. Added by 1. So, our radius is equal to square root of 10. Okay, so this will be our R. And now, so pwede na natin makuha yung equation, which is what is our standard form? So quantity x minus h squared plus the quantity of y minus k squared is equal to r squared. So guys, dito, plug in lang natin yan. Substitute natin, which is, so copy yung x natin. Yung h natin dito ay 1, right? So minus 1 squared. So guys, dito, minus yung nasa formula natin. What if nakuha mong h is negative 1? So it will become plus. Okay? And then, plus. So ganun din dito. Y minus your k here is 2. Gets? Squared. Is equal to, okay, square root of 10 squared. So, eto guys, pwede natin i-simplify. It will become, okay, pwede natin ma-cancel out yan. No? Okay, cancel. This is equal to 10. So, the equation, the final answer will be quantity x minus 1 squared plus the quantity of y minus 2 squared is equal to 10. Gets? So this will be your equation of the standard form given the diameter of a circle.